Welcome to software testing. Today we will discuss commission problem. The problem statement is this: a rifle salesperson in former Arizona territory sold rifle locks, stocks, barrels made by Gunsmith in Missouri. Lock cost $45, stock cost $30, barrel cost $25. The salesperson had to sell at least one complete rifle per month, and the production limits were such that the most of the salesperson could sell in month maximum 70 locks, 80 stocks, and 90 barrels. After each town visit, salesperson sent a telegram to the Missouri gunsmith with the number of locks, stocks, and barrels sold in the town. At the end of the month, the salesperson sent a very short telegram showing -1 lock sold. The gunsmiths then knew that the sales for the month were complete and compute the salesperson's commission as follows: 10% on sale up to including $1,000, 15% on next $1,800, and 20% on next sale in excess of 1,800, greater than 1,800. The commission program produced a monthly sales report that gave the total number of locks, stocks, barrels sold by the salesperson, total dollar sales, and finally the commission. So the problem main focuses on, you have a gunsmith. Gunsmith is manufacturing the lock, stocks, barrels. So this locks, stocks, barrels are the material which is used for complete rifle. So these are the materials used in the rifle. So we know the rifle how it is. So in that rifle is made up of three materials, that is lock, stocks, barrels. Now there is a salesperson who has to go to the town and he has to sell the locks, stocks, and barrels. All three he has to sell. He cannot sell alone, that is locks only he will sell, or stocks only he will sell. No, all put together a complete rifle he has to sell. That means all three material he has to sell. Once he sells, he will send the number of locks, stocks, barrels sold to the salesperson, to the gunsmith. So now the gunsmith will uh, have the count of lock, stocks, barrels sold. If at all, if the salesperson feels this is only the end of the sales of this particular month, then he has to send one short telegram saying -1. That means your gunsmith will understand by seeing -1, this is the sales of that particular month. So the maximum locks sold, how much, maximum stocks, how much he has sold, and barrels. He will compute the sales of that particular person. If the sales is greater than 1,800, then he will give 20% of the commission to that salesperson. If it is less than that is 1,800, 2,000, okay, 2,000, then he will give 15% commission. If it is less than 1,000, he will give 10% commission. This is about the commission problem. Now this program is also written in Fortran. Okay, so we know how the program should be written in the Fortran. To declare a variables, we will use the way uh, for dim followed by variable names as what type. It is of integer type. Lock price, stock price, barrel price we are taking as real. It should be of float type. That means the value which has the decimal point, we call it as real. Then total locks, total stocks, total barrels we are taking as integer type. So lock sales, stock sales, barrel sales, again we are taking float type or real, we will say. Dim sales commission as real, so it is of float type. Now we know that what is the log price. So each log price is of 45. So in the problem statement only they have given log price is, log cost is $45, stock cost is 30, and barrel cost is 25. So that is what we have declared. Log price is 45. Since we have taken real, it is 45.0. Stock price, it is 30.0. Barrel price 25.0. Similarly, total logs sold initially it will be 0. Stocks 0. Total barrels 0. Now we are going to input the log value. We are going to input the log value. So you are going to input the logs, that is 1 I will take. Log value I will take as 1. So see here, we are going to input the log 1, while not of log is 1. 1 is equal to -1, condition false. Not of false is true. Okay, not of false is true. So it will come inside and it will read stocks and barrels. Okay, so stocks I'm reading as 1, barrels I'm reading as 1. Then total logs will be, initially we have taken total logs as 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Total stock we have taken as 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So total stocks will be 1. Total barrels will be 0 plus 1. It is 1. So similarly, it will ask for again logs. If you think this is only the end of the month of log stocks barrels sold, then you can send a short telegram saying -1. -1 if I read, now I'll read -1. It will again go back to your while, okay, and checks. Logs value is now it is -1 equal to -1, condition true. Not of true is false. If it is false, while false, it will come out of this while, end the while. And then it prints logs sold. How many logs you have sold? 1. Stock sold, total logs is 1. Barrel sold, total barrel sold is 1. So log sale will be calculated. So log sales is log price into total logs. What is the log price? It is $45. Number of logs sold is 1. Stock sales is $30 into how many logs you have sold? Only 1. So 30 into 1. Again barrel price, it is 25. 25 into 1. So all you will be having real numbers, that is you'll be having 45 plus 30 plus 25, it will be 100. So you're going to calculate the sales, log sales plus stock sales plus barrel sales. So it will be 45 plus 30 plus 25, it will be equal to 100. Now the sales, whatever you got, you are just printing the sales. Okay, now suppose you have, if the sales is greater than 1800, you are checking. Now what is my sales? 100. 100 is greater than 1800? No. So it will come to the else if. So again 100 is greater than 1000? No. It will come to the else part and gives the commission as 10%. I told you, right? If the sales is less than 1000, you'll be getting 10% sale. This is how the sales is getting calculated. Now you will get 0.10 into 100. It will be 10. You are going to print the commission for that particular salesperson. 10. This is the output of this program. Similarly, I have read as 111. If you read more values, okay. Like you have read the stock price, okay, total logs more, and stocks again more, and barrels more. Then if it is exceeding the 1800, okay, then definitely you will be getting 20% commission. If this case is false, then if it is greater than 1000 and less than 1800, then 15% of the commission will be given to that particular salesperson. So either of one you are going to get the commission. This is how the commission problem works. Thank you.